Hi everyone, today our group will present the innovation of digital in tourism, that is facial recognition technology which reducing the risk of spreading the Covid-19. Our group consists of 5 members, that is Adlina, Akmal, Swahili, Arif and Kanapat.
Introduction for facial recognition technology which reducing the risk of spreading the COVID-19. A method of recognizing or verifying a person's identification using their face is facial recognition. People may be recognized using facial recognition technology in real time or instant image and videos. The current COVID-19 pandemic is spreading the globe and transforming civilization. People all across the world have had to adjust to a new normal lifestyle for almost 2 years. COVID-19 is caused by a virus that may live on surface while looking for a new host. Therefore, to reduce infection and sustain economic prospects, governments and enterprises are turning to innovative biometric applications. Thermofacial recognition, remote fever monitoring, and smartphone-based immunization certification are just a few examples of technologies that were formerly thought with to be science fiction.
Okay, we move to objective and product concept. First is service quality. Facial recognition will increase service quality. This is because by having this technology, the process check-in and process of health check could be more smooth. Also, the quality of health screening will be more accurate. Second is a reduced manpower. We all know that the process of health screening at airport involves many manpower. Thus, by having this technology, manpower can be reduced or they can be allocated to do work that more complicated which machine can't do. Third is increased confidence level. Facial recognition technology would reduce the direct contact between people. Hence, the passenger will be experience a complete contactless process. This will reduce the probability of spreading COVID-19. The result, people will be a lot more confident to use the airlines and travel. Lastly, achieve competitive advantage. Facial recognition technology is one of technology that much need to restore confidence among customers. It is important for company to follow the technology trend to stay relevant. By becoming one of the first company that having this technology, the probability to obtain a competitive advantage is high.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noorma binti Mahdi. Applications are not new in the market and see which the technology advancement of a smartphone by using the mobile application in the tourism sector. It can help the user to know more about the destination. Face is a world-first facial recognition technology developed by airlines for its quest to access a fully digital and contactless travel experience for enhanced convenience, safety, and security when traveling with the airlines. Face scans identifies and assists in managing the flight journey, where quiz can order, book, verify, and pay for all of airlines' popular lifestyle offering directly on the apps. Last but not least, not with a quick scan on the face, the revolutionary system will unlock a wide range of offers available in the apps, including flight, hotel, food reservation, delivery, travel calls, and more. Face works when passenger check-in, baggage drop, security checks, and boarding gate. Face is now available when for contactless aircraft boarding at the airport, and the technology will be upgraded soon to include other services at the terminal, including the now mandatory safe check-in, baggage check-in, security checks, and various functions. Face will also make the app's a one-stop shop that identifies customers instantly via instant facial recognition to orders and pay for main travel and lifestyle deals seamlessly within the apps.
Firstly, the usefulness of facial recognition is reducing human touchpoints. As a super app, facial recognition requires fewer humans research than other types of security measures, such as fingerprinting. It also doesn't require physical contact or direct human interaction that causes the spread of the virus. Head limits touchpoint when unlocking door and smartphone or getting cash from the ATM. Faces is the latest contactless technology innovation that has been developed in conjunction with its technology partner VisionBox as part of strict COVID-19 mitigation procedures as welcome the resumption of interstate travel now and international travel in the near future. Secondly, as a better security measure for improved safety and security in non-retail space like airport and banks, for example, that technology increased number of travelers hold biometric passport which allow them to skip the ordinary long lines and instead walk through an automated passport control to reach the gate faster. The US Department of Homeland Security predict that facial recognition will be used on 97% of travelers by 2023. Other than that, software help identify criminal and potential threat to airlines and passengers. The safety of passengers is more assured and their personal data will be not exposed indiscriminately. Then this app will identify passenger or guests. Traveler faces can be scanned by camera to have their identified verified to board their plane without showing their passport or boarding pass. This use increased during pandemic intent for convenience and safely. Lastly, order booking and shopping be more efficiently. Instead of making purchase in cash or credit at the store, facial recognition technology can recognize faces and charge items to our account. With a simple scan for our face, guests will be able to order, book, verify, and pay for all our popular lifestyle offerings on Asia Super apps. The first overall acceptability is the app is friendly users. Asia Super app is easy to use among users. In fact, the company provides a guideline to anyone who downloads the apps to make it easy. For example, just download the Asia Super app and register for the service directly on our mobile gadget. Then snap a selfie and upload a picture of our personal identification documents. A personalized QR code will be generated. Simply present the QR code with our travel document at the service counter in the airports and we are all set to travel. Secondly, this app is a digital travel and lifestyle platform. All Asia Super app users around the region can now register for faces easily on the app and soon they will be able to use the feature not just for travel but also for all lifestyle offering in rapidly expanding ecosystem. Thirdly, apps that meet the latest demand and trends. With innovation that not only take the hassle out of flying in the new world but make change to needs and meet current trends. When the needs are fulfilled, then it will provide the best experience and satisfaction to users. Besides, why this app will be accepted is because the product and service are easily accessible. Facial recognition technology allows to make it more convenient for millions of users to access the product and service simply and securely. Besides which it will assist in quest for a continued improvement in all that to develop and greater user experience. Lastly, various types of product offer and privilege are provided. The revolutionary system will make all the offerings available on Asia Super app, including flight, hotel, ordering food, deliveries, ride-hailing, and so much more. Simple and easy with just a quick facial scan. For example, guests be able to check in hotel affiliate with Asia just using faces for real-time verification and check-in.
Okay, next we move to economic effectiveness and cost. First, smooth the process. The outcome from using this app, passenger will save a lot of time as the apps have a manual functional purpose such as being able to order and book and verify the flight ticket. Second, revenue overcome cost. As we know, the cost of artificial intelligence technology is not cheap. It required a lot of cost. However, the benefit comes after that will overweigh the cost. As mentioned above, many potential passengers will increase the revenue of company. Hence, there will be positive economic growth. Third, we move to sustainable economic growth. As mentioned, this technology has a huge effect towards the economic growth. The increase in revenue as the cost reduce, such as the employees' cost, will result in positive net profit. Hence, by having a profit, many other future plan and strategy can be made in order to achieve a competitive advantage.
Facial recognition technologies can use to be the contactless authentication and can creative use in all aviation industries process, such as check-in, baggage drop, security check, and boarding gate. For the check-in process, before the passenger need to go to the counter check-in, but right now they can check in by themselves by use the kiosk or mobile phone and use the facial recognition system. And at the baggage drop process is also the same, that the airline allow the passenger drop their luggage by themselves. At the security check process, the passenger can be found the facial recognition system in the immigration gate. At the boarding gate, the airline can use the facial recognition system instead of using the ground staff. As you can see from the picture, the facial recognition technology can be creative, used in all process of the aviation industry, from check-in, baggage drop, security check until boarding gate, and also says that can reduce the manpower and touchless. That is also to reduce the risk of spreading of Covid-19. From market analysis report show the commercial value of the facial recognition market trends in 2020 have the 3.8 billion US dollar in 2020, and they have the growth rate 15.4% from 2021 until 2028, and the revenue forecast in 2028 will up to 12 billion US dollar.
In conclusion, biometric system involves the identification of pupil from a database of photos, including static, photograph, and video. These facial systems are used to detect the disease and secure access and improve surveillance, especially during the pandemic. The technique will be the most effective way to stop the coronavirus from spreading, and this is the faster way in the process of check-in. Hence, this technology can reduce cost and manpower in dealing with the spread of coronavirus outbreaks. As a result of this concept, passenger airlines will be able to bring advantage of the greatest benefits and service. Lastly, this technology will help these airlines improve its service quality.